Page 17, Trumpet Tune. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats. We're in the key of C major. Okay, right hand first. Let's make sure we get the fingering and the notes and the rhythm. I'm going to connect everything at first. So I'm starting here in this position. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. Isn't this fun? Third line down is just all quarter notes, but they're all jumbled up. Actually, it's like broken chords, sort of. And then the last line's similar to the others you've had. Left hand, whole notes, but look out. We're not really in a 5-finger position. So you're starting out with 3 and 1 here. Treble clef in the bottom staff. And then the next measure, it's a 5-2. You got to come down with a little finger. So really, we're covering like 5 fingers, six notes and 5 fingers. And you're just coming back and forth between these two and these two. Throughout the whole piece, this is all you're doing. The kicker is, can you connect them and still get the notes down at the same time? I'm not too good at that. What I'm doing is I'm simply shifting weight from finger to finger. I can still do it even in this, because I'm playing here, the weight's pushing it down. And once I push a note down, I don't have to keep pushing. The weight alone is enough to hold it down. Once you play a note, don't keep pushing down. That's a waste of energy. You're only pushing down to play it. Otherwise, you're just holding it down. You don't need any, the weight alone is enough to hold it down. And then you want to do the next one. I'll put my fingers over the keys I want. I'm going to raise the wrist up. As I lower the wrist, I simply switching which fingers I want down, and the weight pushes the notes down. Here to here, back to here, to here. It's a little weird at first, but if you'll stick with it, you'll get it. And it's actually quite easy. There's no stress, no strain. The weight, the gravity is doing all the work. I'm just changing which fingers are down. You should do it in both hands. You want to develop both hands. And that's what the left hand's doing. So put the hands together, you hear 1 and 2 and 3 and so forth. Then you can add the articulation. Well, in the left hand there isn't anything. I'm suggesting you connect the left hand all the way through except for the rests. So in the right hand we have staccatos. The first one just wrist staccato, short staccato, and then connected, and lift up between the slurs like taking a breath. So it's here. And there's an accent on that half note. That's an accent. Give it a little extra. Then go on. Lift up in the right hand, not the left. Both get a rest, so now we finally get silence for a moment, and then you go on, all connected. There. And then the last line is similar to what we've had before. Then we can add the dynamics. It's loud at the first line. That's the right hand. Keep this left hand out of the way. We want to... The second line is come down to sort of soft. That's the right hand. The left hand is to be very soft. Now, you're not really soft here. You're just sort of soft. And then at the end of the line, you come down to soft. Right there. Be soft right there. Next line, you're soft. But it has a crescendo. And if you look at the last measure of the line, it's forte. So we're going to go from soft to loud, and we're going to take 3 measures to get there. Don't get loud till the last measure of the line. So you're soft on the first measure, come up a little bit to moderately soft on the next measure, come up a little more to moderately loud on the next measure. Now you're loud. And And that's the right hand. You keep the left hand out of the way. So again, it's soft. A little louder. A little louder. Loud. And that accented note would be very loud then. And the last line is loud like the first line was. Now the speed. Well, here's the kicker. It's vivace. Wouldn't you know it? This has to be your vivace. Not my vivace or somebody else's vivace. Vivace is faster than allegro. Vivace is very fast. It's not as fast as you can go because presto's faster than that. Vivace is just really fast, and that's the overall feel of the piece, which means this melody. That would be vivace. To me, it has to be accurate, it has to be controlled, and these eighth notes have to be even. So don't go faster than that, whatever you can do. Over time, as you get better with piano, your vivace will get faster. But for now, you take your vivace at whatever you can control in this melody. That's my vivace. Your vivace might be. If that's your vivace, good enough. Go with that. Now I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Even though I already demoed, I don't like demoing these. Of course, this book and many books have CDs come with them where you can hear them play them. Please don't copy what they're doing. Oh, I hear what it sounds like, I can do that. Nuh-uh. Read the music and make it yours. That's what it's about. So let's play it together very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythm. I'll give us 4 counts. Not going to do any dynamics, just notes and rhythms and staccatos and accents and that stuff. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2. And 4 and. Rest. And 1 and. Rest.